I'm Roger Bacon and with RGB Renovations, and today we're going to repair a kitchen faucet spout. This one here is pretty old, and when we turn it on you can clearly see we have water leaking out around this kitchen faucet spout. So what we're going to do is just turn our faucet off here and take our adjustable water pump pliers and very carefully start to loosen this chrome fitting here. If you get too wild with this, you're going to scratch that thing up. This one's loose and it's a little bit old, so it's coming loose. And then we can go by hand, gently working that back and forth, and we're able to unscrew this spout until that comes up. Now we've got this loose, we can pull it up gently, pulling it up. Looks all right, so let's take a look at this little gasket here. If we can get it off. Yeah, a little O-ring. This one still looks okay. Sometimes you'll have to get a new O-ring. Sometimes you'll have to get a whole new faucet. We'll get a little water right back on our O-ring and put it back in place. Now we can go ahead and screw this back together, pushing gently down till that seats, and then start screwing our fitting back on. That looks a little better. We can take our scrubby and make kind of a gasket around there so our water pump pliers don't dig in to the chrome. Give that just another couple little twists. If you get it too tight, this won't move. Could be trouble, but this looks all right. Let's run some water. Can rinse off some of the mess we made here. Looks like our leak is fixed. All right, it looks like your leak is fixed, and that's how you repair a leaking kitchen spout.